To reset your password, log in at the top center of the WakeTech webpage at waketech.edu. Select Online Instruction at the bottom of the screen. On this page, you will be able to find useful information on how to activate or reset your key account. Read all the information on this page carefully before proceeding. Please note that your new password must be at least 14 characters in length, not contain your account name or parts of your full name that exceed 2 consecutive characters, have upper and lowercase letters, contain a number 0 through 9, or contain some special characters. Select Microsoft's Password Reset Tool link to begin. This will bring you to a page titled Get Back into Your Account. In the Who Are You section, enter your WakeTech email address. Enter the CAPTCHA characters shown in the picture. Click Next to continue. At verification step 1, select Email My Alternate Email. Verify the email listed on the screen. Select the Email button. Enter the verification code sent to your personal email address. Select Next to continue. At verification step 2, select Text My Mobile Phone and verify the last 2 digits of your phone number. You may also select Call My Mobile Phone to receive a phone call instead. Enter your complete mobile phone number, including your area code. Click Text to continue. Enter the verification code sent by text to your mobile phone. Click Next to continue. If your verification methods are out of date or not working properly, contact the ITS Help Desk at 919-866-7000 or helpdesk@waketech.edu. Once your account has been verified, you will be prompted to change your password. Type and confirm your new password. Click Finish to complete the password update. Do not navigate away from this page until you see a message indicating that the password change was successful. Take note that you will have to reset your password after 365 days to maintain access to your courses and your WakeTech email. Only one update is allowed every 24 hours. Remember, when you reset your password once, you reset it for all online services at WakeTech, including, but not limited to, Blackboard, Outlook, self-service, and the student portal my.waketech.edu.